What's up, Ocean Gang? It's your girl Ocean, and I'm back with another video. As you can see by the title, this video is gonna be a wig install. And yes, I'm about to get into this wig. I'm about to install this Glueless wig. But yes, before I get into this video, if you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel, my ladies. And if you're not new to the channel, welcome back to the channel, gang. We're on the way to 3K. Y'all already know what's going on. We gotta jump straight into this video. So I'm gonna be gluing my wig down, but it's glueless, so it's not gonna be glued down. I'm gonna be using got to be glue instead of lace glue. So yes, it's a glueless wig. So yeah, you're gonna need three things. You're gonna need an edge brush. You're gonna need your got to be glue, of course, and you're going to need some pins to pin your hair back. So without further ado, we're about to jump right into this video. And yeah, we're about to have a little chit chat. So as y'all can see right now, it's not glued down at all. But yeah, we're about to get into the wig install. So I ain't doing nothing. I've just been in the house all day. Bored, chilling, cleaning. Nothing major, nothing much. I hope everybody New Year was good. Mine was okay. I spent it with family, of course. We didn't do nothing much, nothing major. We had a good time. Ate good, drank good, y'all know, the basics. So, before I start this install, you want to make sure it's lined up right where you want it. Like, don't mind my lace, y'all. I cut it, I was doing too much, and I cut too much of the lace off. But don't let that bother you. You gotta let that bother you. You gotta get right into it. Y'all don't want to pin it up, put it in a ponytail or something, just to get it out the way. But yeah, I hope everybody weekend was good. Mine was cool. I ain't doing nothing but chilling in the house for real. Oh, you gonna need 4 items. The 4th item is a motherfucking blow. Your blow dry. Yo handy, dandy blow dryer. But yeah, my weekend was good. Comment in the comment section below what y'all did for the weekend. And two, y'all can let me know what videos y'all want to see next. Baby, y'all can let me know something, because your girl's starting to run out of ideas. I'm bringing gaming to the channel, as y'all can see. I'm gonna be playing a little bit of everything. I'm gonna be playing a little bit of Fortnite, GTA, Dead by Daylight. What's another? I might play 2K on there. It depends on who I play with. But yeah, get into it. And y'all gotta comment and let me know if y'all want to see more gaming or what type of content y'all want to see. I'm thinking about making 2 channels. I'm gonna have this channel, which is Princess Ocean, and I think I'm gonna make a gaming channel just specifically for my gaming. I don't know. Y'all gotta let me know. Comment in the comment section below and let me know. Should I keep my gaming on this channel, or should I take it to another channel? Y'all can go there and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, we gotta get right into this wig install, because I'm procrastinating. I'm just talking and rambling. But yeah, I'll be back with another wig install. What's up, gang? Your girl back. I just want to go eat me a little snack right quick. But I'm back. We about to get into this video without further ado. So yeah, let's get into it. So as y'all can see, it's still not glued down or whatever and whatnot. But yeah, we gotta jump right into it. So you're gonna get your first layer of glue. You got to be, because it's a glueless, so I don't want y'all to think it's glue when they say a glueless wig. So you're gonna get your got to be, and you just gonna like create a fresh layer. You're gonna create a fresh layer. And excuse me, y'all, if y'all see me looking up here, that means I'm just looking in the mirror. Sometimes it'd be hard for me to, you know what I'm saying? Like look in the camera and like do my hair instead of looking in the mirror. Like the mirror show you everything, the camera don't. Like, you just don't want to put a little thin layer first, and then you're going to blow dry that on low. I don't know if y'all can see the layer, but yeah, blow dry that. And it's going to be dripping a little bit, but don't let that bother you. This is the part I hate. You like take forever. Then you're gonna turn it off. You're gonna add another layer, baby. One more layer. Wait, I might do two because I might leave this wig on for 2 days. So I might do 2 more layers. And just to let y'all know, the more layers y'all add, the longer your wig stay on. Just want to throw that out there. If you use a lot of layers, it's gonna be on there for a couple days. But see, I'm not putting a lot because I like to take my wig off when I want to take my wig off. So I use 3 layers. And go back in with your blow dryer. And dry that. Cool. I never dry on high because I don't want it to get all the way dry. I always like dry it on low. Because I want it to be like still sticky like when I apply my lace. If y'all know what I'm talking about. That shit dripping, cuz. But yeah, this year, y'all, it's gonna be a good year. Like, I see good stuff happening. Like, I'm about to start being more consistent with my YouTube. I'm about to bring a lot of more new things to my channel. Yeah, we about to get lit. 2023, we're gonna be lit, Ocean Gang, period. I'm gonna go back in with one more layer. But yeah, y'all, we about to be lit. We about to be motherfucking lit. And I was supposed to have a couple collabs last year with a few people, but that didn't go well. But we not worried. It's okay. We not worried about that because this year it's on and popping, and we got some better people to collab with, and the content is gonna be better than the ideas that I had before. Not saying that the ideas that I had before was booty, but they just better than the ideas that I got now is just better than the last ones that I had. If that makes any sense. So yeah, we just about to get it popping, and yeah. And see, now it's starting to get sticky, so it's getting sticky, y'all. So now I'm about to just go ahead and apply. This the part, y'all, where it get hard. It get really hard for me. So yeah, it get hard for me. I'm about to show y'all why. Because for one, oh shit, my clip is stuck. For one, like placing it, it gets hard. Like, I'm about to show y'all. So I always pull the 2 sides down, the 2 ears down first. And I'm gonna pull that down and hold. Just hold. Don't let go. And about it. It's a process. Like, you gotta take your time for real. And like just the part that you see that's lifting. Like for instance, like over here, this side. Y'all see that? Right there. Where the glue dried up a little bit. You just wanna hit that one more time. Like that. Bring it down like that. And hold that like that. One thing about this got to be glue, you gotta be careful because it dries really quick. So, on low. This is why I use clips because I don't have to worry about hair getting in my way. But y'all remember what I said on low? Use the heat on low. Oh shit. My lace, my laces be laid because I don't use too much product, and I be cleaning them. Like I be washing my lace, and I don't know. I just take good care of my lace. Like y'all see that. Wait, let me get that together right there. But y'all see it. I'm gonna show y'all what I do and how I do when I do how I do when I do. So you don't wanna put too much too. Then that's when it's gonna start turning white. When you start putting too much product. Alright, I'm about to let y'all. I'm about to zoom in and let y'all see. See if y'all can find the lace. Let me know if y'all can find the lace. Now I'm about to just straighten her. Y'all watch me straighten my hair? Yeah? No? Nope. Be back. That was it for this video, gang. I hope y'all enjoy it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel, my lovely. And if you're not new to the channel, welcome back, gang. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. We're on the way to 3K. I hope y'all enjoyed that vlog. This is my first vlog for 2023. And yeah, like I said, the channel about to be lit. We about to turn the channel up. And that's just what's going to be going on. And yeah, stay tuned for the next banger. I'm going to be dropping, I think, Wednesday. I think I'm going to drop it Wednesday night. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I love y'all. Make sure y'all say y'all prayers. Good night. And yeah, I hope everybody be safe. Yeah, that's it for this vlog. I think I'm editing it. I'm about to start editing a video now. I got 2 videos to edit. So y'all might be getting 2 videos dropped. Like I said, y'all might be getting 2 videos in one day. Or, I don't know. We'll see how. It depends on if I feel like editing. Because editing just takes so much. It drains me. Like, sometimes like I spend a whole day editing. Like, But yeah, it depends on how I feel. If I feel like editing both, I give them both to y'all. If not, I know I'm about to edit one right now. After I end this video, I'm about to finish editing. And yeah, that's it for this video. Love y'all.